Hi, I'm Lyon and I'll be an RA in Wilson this fall. When I came to Lyon College, I didn't know how to do laundry because my mom taught me. So basically, it's relatively easy. You have your dirty clothes in the empty washer and you just take it and you just dump it in there. Some laundry mistakes that I have seen made is when people use too much detergent and then you can see it just coming out from the wall. So if you ever have any questions about how much is too much, just come see me and I can definitely help you out there. But basically you just fill it up to the line, you have enough, and then you kind of just do some of that action. So my personal choice in detergent is liquid. Usually if I use Tide Pods, it just doesn't ever melt because I like to wash my clothes on cold because the colors don't run. And then I like to use something like this, which just makes my clothes all smell good. The best time to do laundry here is definitely in the mornings when there's less people up and awake. And so then that way, also if you're like a little late to getting your clothes, you don't have to worry about someone taking them out and putting them somewhere else. Lyon is getting a new technology that will help students with laundry etiquette. It will provide a notification to students that will let them know when their laundry is done. The biggest tip I had to learn when I started to do my own laundry is to actually make sure that I have time to do the laundry from start to finish. Make sure you're not trying to squeeze it in between your classes. Make sure you're not trying to squeeze it in between any activities, sports, or band, or anything like that. Once again, I'm Lyon and I will be your RA in Wilson. If you have any questions, even if it's not about laundry, feel free to come and see me.